Starting an LLC in Delaware can be one of the smartest moves you make for your business. It's a state known for being incredibly friendly to entrepreneurs with strong legal protections, low filing fees, and a smooth setup process. But once you decide on Delaware, the next big question is, do you go the DIY route or do you use a service like Northwest Registered Agent to handle it for you? So, in this video, I'm going to break down both options, how to form your LLC on your own and how to do it the easy way using Northwest. That way, you can choose what works best for you. Okay, so let's start with the do-it-yourself approach. Forming an LLC in Delaware by yourself is totally doable, and it will save you a bit of money up front, but only if you're confident navigating state websites, following legal instructions, and keeping track of deadlines. First, you need to choose a name for your business. Delaware requires that it be unique from all other registered businesses in the state and include LLC or limited liability company somewhere in the name. Then comes appointing a registered agent. This is a person or service that agrees to receive official documents on behalf of your business. You can serve as your own agent, but only if you're based in Delaware and available during business hours. If not, you'll need to find someone who meets those criteria or hire a service. Next up is filing your certificate of formation. This is the official document that legally creates your LLC. You'll file it with the Delaware Division of Corporations, either online or by mail. There's a filing fee, currently $90, and you'll need to make sure you fill out everything correctly to avoid delays. Once that's done, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement. Delaware doesn't require this. It lays out how your LLC is managed, who owns what, and what happens if someone wants to leave or sell their share. After that, you'll need to apply for an EIN through the IRS. This is your business's federal tax ID and is necessary for opening a bank account, hiring employees, and paying federal taxes. You can get it for free on the IRS website. And finally, and this is important, you'll need to keep your LLC in good standing. That means filing an annual franchise tax and annual report with the state every single year. If you forget or miss the deadline, you could face penalties or even have your LLC dissolved. So yeah, while it's manageable, it does take time, attention to detail, and a bit of patience. One small mistake in the process can create extra headaches down the line. Now let's talk about using a service like Northwest Registered Agent. So if you want to make sure everything's done properly the first time and you'd rather not deal with the paperwork yourself, this is the option I'd personally recommend. With Northwest, they handle the entire LLC formation for you. They file the certificate of formation with the state, act as your registered agent, and send you reminders when your annual filings or franchise taxes are due. Basically, they make sure you stay compliant from day one. And one of the best things about Northwest is their privacy protection. They use their business address on public records instead of yours, which helps keep your personal information out of the spotlight. They also don't sell your data, which a lot of competitors unfortunately do. Their customer support is another major win. If you've got questions about anything, whether it's during the setup process or years later, you can get a real person on the phone who knows exactly what they're talking about. No scripts, no outsourcing, no upsells, and the pricing, it's straightforward. You pay for what you need and that's it. No sneaky charges, no surprise renewals, and no pressure to upgrade. So yes, you're paying more than the DIY route, but what you get in return is convenience, peace of mind, and expert guidance every step of the way. Well, if you're someone who likes digging into the details, doesn't mind a bit of extra research, and wants to save some money up front, the DIY route might be the way to go. You'll get full control over the process, and it's definitely cheaper if you do everything correctly. But if you're short on time, don't want the hassle, or just want to make sure everything's done perfectly from the start, then Northwest Registered Agent is 100% worth considering. They make the entire process simple, efficient, and stress-free. You've got two solid paths. I mean, it just depends on what matters most to you. Saving a little money now, or saving yourself time and potential headaches later. If you're ready to set up your Delaware LLC and want to use Northwest Registered Agent, go ahead and click the link in the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.